If you're blind or have a severe visual impairment, you can't see the mouse pointer. So you rely on the keyboard. Try closing your eyes and finding the letter H on your keyboard. Challenging, isn't it? Raised ridges on the F and J keys help touch typists and blind users orient themselves. If you're not a touch typist, you can use raised dots on keys like H to help navigate. Blind users often use screen readers that read content aloud, alongside keyboard navigation. Navigation involves keys like tab, arrows, and shortcuts. For example, pressing H jumps to the next heading. Numbers 1 to 6 help navigate heading levels, H1, H2, H3, and so on. The tab key moves focus through interactive elements. The screen reader announces each one. Up and down arrows read content line by line, great for reading paragraphs or exploring structure. Left and right arrows move character by character, useful in form fields or text areas. Navigation menus are essential, but can be tedious if you have to go through them every time. That's why a skip to main content link is vital. It's often the first thing a screen reader user looks for. Keyboard access isn't optional. Build clear structure, support shortcuts, and add skip to main content so everyone can navigate with confidence.